I'm delighted to be here with you all to dedicate the Choma food crossing. But beyond the dedication, I'm here to make it clear that every person, every community in Fiji is important. So this is only a small project for your community. When we add one small project in one small community to other small projects in other communities, we strengthen our nation. This food crossing will allow people from this village to travel easily to the local school and to the neighboring villages of Vukavu and Soso. The people here have been without a food crossing for a long time, after the previous one was washed away in a storm, but today we are here with a new food crossing. Ensuring public health and safety is one of the main reasons government exists, and it means a great deal to me personally that we have now made it possible for the children of this community to walk to school safely and quickly. It means a great deal to me that you have a secure path to medical care and the other services at the main service center in Soso. It means a great deal to me that you will find it easier once again to participate in gatherings and ceremonies at the seat of the Nadava district chief. It means so much to me because I know that if government does not take seriously the health and security of the people in the small villages and remote areas, it has not done its job. If it does not take care to ensure that people in areas like Choma and Vukavu and Soso can gather and trade and take care of basic needs, it has failed them and the nation. We cannot fix all problems immediately, but we must commit to fix them all in their turn. You live far from the television cameras, so your hardships may not be as visible to the rest of the nation as the hardship of people in the cities. But they are just as real, and government must ease those hardships when it can. And that is the reason why we are here. I know that for many people this may be just one of the many projects the government undertakes each year. But to me it is important, and that is why I'm here. We build the fabric of our nation thread by thread and stitch by stitch. Every village counts, every citizen counts. And government must do what it can to make all lives better. So if you tell me that your lives are better because we have rebuilt this food crossing, then that will be my reward as your Prime Minister. And so I am proud to declare this Choma food crossing open and ready to serve the people of Choma, of Vukavu and Soso. Kala ni sabang tahu cuma nak kango ya sama ibu matan itu tekin kendola, ni tekin nak kota mana beba kalau ngat tak beba komunikasi nando tak kosong besi. Atau baru tak ada kira ngabar tu dah
Naka ayang varani sese burai na maramani ale mai ngasele au mai wakawati tu ngana korturanga na korchoma
Naka ramadan ni pamatala tak evada bona nomunirai mai ndola ni kona wabu mai ndola bona turanga na Prime Minister mai baka donatina ana non rambula nangon ratak soboti nangon na wawu ingo mai ndola ngoni kwa evada bona nomunirai mai balatan non ramai dala bona turanga Prime Minister na
afina kwale sara ayang donatina kilani kero wa kata pulinga mai na matentu na lo mani vida na mbaki sauti ndina ni kero wa tau ya butalanga ni ke kilani ndona lubeng kunduri tungo iraranga lo tigo iwaye na lo mani vida na mbaki na nona ngole mai na turanga na Prime Minister na sini kwa batike kemina baile sesa matentu sandona kale sandona maro bakai kamera ya dobe ya we ndona tina awandi ndina takana bana linga ni matentu na ni mamindong karavi kami asas bagara ni kuwa mai sota bataleke sandona kan ngo bini binata na kalu balata ni ndona ngono bala baranga lu bol na lu bikke mami ndona tina ndo baba ira na lu bengu iker na makumbungu ya ndo baba ira ike ya ni kuwa sama idaba na bibabongo sama indona ngona ke mami sama sarabkina na faga le with the kamana kalona na viva rota kina matentungo wana turang prime minister me ke mami sama itheng na viva ba theng na ngalo ko soba na uthi waini sanga na wanga ke mami sama itaya mbeba ka indona maramali